me and Monique came to Kobe, to the land of the Kobe beef Wagyu. And yeah, we just selected our meats. We got Kobe beef here. This is just a demo of the sizes.
And actually, we got this 120 grams.
120 grams.
What is this? Right? Today's rare part.
Yeah.
Which is apparently like one of the more tender ones.
Yeah, he said it was the hip of the cow. So we got the hip of the cow, you know what I'm saying? And then we also got
800 yen? Goddamn.
Yeah, that's $88 US almost. And then we got the sushi from here, Kobe sushi. Kobe beef sushi. And we got pretty much this one. You get 3 pieces for $18. So,
and it's assorted too, so you get, you said, one of these, one of these, one of these.
Yeah, which sounds like
the
good ones.
sirloin, which is the most tender. I'm excited for this one.
Yeah.
And it's also the most expensive. Wait, no, it's not. I lied.
No,
anyway,
that one.
yeah. And then we get one of these and one of these.
Yeah, but he said this is the most popular though.
Okay.
And it's the most popular. Yeah. I don't know why this one. This is $600.
Many international gourmets have been impressed by the depth of flavor. Okay, I'm not impressed by the depth of price.
No, that's crazy. Yeah, we also doing let's go takoyaki, which is the chef's gonna cook for us.
Teppanyaki?
Takoyaki. Yeah. Right. He's gonna cook it for us on this big grill. So it should be tight. It should be an experience.
We also ordered some Kobe wine, which is made only in Kobe. So I got a white and one got red.
Yeah, grapes were grown in Kobe, a farm in Kobe, you know, everything.
Super
so
Kobe today.
very local, very local.
You upload to the YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Yes, later tell me your account.
Yeah. We're vloggers.
Yeah.
Wow. So
Yeah.
cool. Nice.
Yeah, I'll tell you the account. I'm gonna set up and watch it.
I think it's good.
Oh, nice.
Can take some pictures.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, nice. Thanks.
So those are the awards. See? Yeah. And then that's our 120.
Doesn't look real, huh?
Yeah.
I've never seen meat
What
like
is this right here?
This is konjac. Do you know konjac?
Konjac.
Konjac.
Okay.
It's a plant name. I
Ah.
think in America you guys don't eat.
Okay.
It's mainly grown in East Asia and Southeast Asia. And konjac, very good for health. But this is very unique, special one. Normally it's a black one. Yeah. And this is a red one because they put some like arrow inside to make the color become red. Yeah. So
Okay.
it's very, very special, unique. Even you cannot eat in Tokyo. Very difficult to find.
Can't get it in Tokyo either.
So it's like
Yeah.
a vegetable, you said?
Only in this Kansai area.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. Kansai area.
It's like tastes like jelly.
Oh,
But it's the relative of a potato actually.
Okay. Oh, okay. That's huge. Okay, so now more rarities for the YouTube. You know what I'm saying? For my
Can I take
belly.
this?
Ah.
If you want to take some pictures,
okay, sure.
introduce something.
Gonna eat this cow.
Right.
Sorry, cow. I love animals, but he takes it.
Should be
So
fun.
do you guys know what Kobe beef is?
You can explain it to me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, listen.
So actually, Kobe beef is not the animal's name. Kobe beef is just a brand, the name of a brand. So actually, there is no cow, no cattle. The name is Kobe beef. No, actually, this cow's name is Tajima cattle. Tajima cattle. So it's 150 years ago, the British people came to Kobe. Then they ate the Tajima cattle in Kobe port. Then they thought, oh, the Kobe beef is so tasty. Then spread the fame to the world. So everyone said, oh, Kobe beef, Kobe beef, Kobe beef. Actually, not Kobe beef. just they ate the Tajima cattle in Kobe. Yeah. So from then on, the Japanese government they found out, oh, this one becomes so famous, so they want to protect this and to make more money. So they set up so many rules. Only the Tajima cattle. After Tajima cattle were killed or slaughtered, then the professional people will check the meat quality. If the quality can meet all the standards, then they certify it as Kobe beef. So it's just a brand.
Okay, it's just a brand.
Yeah, so this Tajima cattle is raised in the mountain area. And this Kobe is the Hyogo prefecture capital. Also in Hyogo prefecture, there is a name called Tajima. So that area's cattle is Tajima cattle.
Okay.
Yeah. So
is Wagyu the same?
Wagyu? Yeah. Actually, Tajima cattle is also Wagyu. And all the cattle, all the beef in Japan, all of them are Wagyu actually.
Okay.
Yeah, all of them. Yeah, because there is a rule saying once the cattle was raised more than half a year in Japan, then can be called Wagyu. So this Tajima cattle also Wagyu. So it's just in the good part of Wagyu. And this Kobe beef is the top part.
That's special.
Yeah.
So every year, many people raise the Tajima cattle in this mountain area now. But you don't know it. You also can raise, but you don't know the cattle you raised can become the Kobe beef or not. You don't know. After they are slaughtered, then check.
They look at the meat.
Yeah, if it can become Kobe beef, then very expensive.
Yeah.
Like one cow is like $50,000.
Oh, US dollars?
Yeah, US dollars. $50,000 for one.
One cow.
Yeah, one Kobe beef. But if cannot meet the standards, they just normal Wagyu, very cheap.
Oh yeah. So it all depends on how you raise the cow, right? Like what you feed it and stuff like that.
Yeah, so it's so much.
So this is like the most healthiest cow out there.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, they say it get a lot of marble because it's a very happy cow. It eats very healthy, and it doesn't have stress.
No stress.
So it had
no
a good
stress.
life. So I can feel good about eating this cow.
Yeah, you won't be eating all his stress toxins because you don't have any.
Yeah.
Those chips.
Nice.
So this black one is soy sauce, salt, vinegar, and wasabi, and beef sauce, and fried garlic chips.
Beef sauce, you said?
Yeah, beef sauce.
So we put these all on the meat as we eat.
Yeah, later I will teach you first, second, how to do it.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Do you want me to take a picture of you guys?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So give me a phone.
Okay.
Yeah, go with the phone. I'll put the camera down.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, send that to me.
Okay. Look at the face that came up for you.
Yeah, well, I'm drunk. I'm really drunk. Wow, look at that. This is beautiful. There we go. Show us already. Oh, look at that. Veggies on there. Veggies. It smells good already.
So that's what I'm saying, right? It smells like garlic.
That is the main attraction.
have you been a chef?
Me, around 1 year.
Oh, just a year?
Yeah, just 1 year.
Nice.
So are you traveling in Japan?
Yeah.
How many days?
We've been here for around 2 weeks already. We leave every day actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Going back to California.
Yeah. We were in Tokyo for like a week, and then we went to Kyoto,
Yeah.
and then we went to Osaka.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Kobe for the
first
meat.
time to have Kobe beef?
This is my first time.
Oh.
It's not his first time.
Okay.
He had it last time he was in Japan.
I don't think I had A5 though.
Yeah.
I think I had A4 last
A5, A5 ranked
So
Kobe.
this was A5.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can say this one is the best beef in the world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's before A5.
That's what he's saying.
Yeah. We're gonna go back home and be disappointed.
This is something special. This is something special. That Jimmy cooks it too.
So in America, you also eat a lot of beef, yeah?
Yeah, but it's never like that good. It doesn't have a lot of marble in it like fat. It's a lot of red. And it's very thick and chewy,
Yeah.
and that's why Monique doesn't eat a lot of
Yeah, I
Yeah,
like
beef.
the flavor, but I just don't like the chewiness.
Oh, when you talk about the chewy, my teeth start pain.
yeah.
I know, I don't like
Because
that.
I remember the feeling.
Yeah.
When
You
the
remember the
chewy.
feeling now you see color.
Yeah. Yeah, but I love steak, so I wanted to have the best in the world.
Yeah.
So I had to come to Kobe. You know, I was coming to Japan. Like, gotta come to Kobe. I'm falling in love with the sandwich. You smell like pepper. Yeah, and you smell it. And the heat of the meat, you smell it. Oh, the sign just cooks the sign. So we learn some tips. Oh, yeah, the meat is not gonna be as good quality.
Definitely not.
Yeah, probably never have a steak again unless I'm in Japan.
Fly to Japan. You want some steak?
So have you been to any other countries, Asian countries?
We went to Hong Kong for a night.
Okay.
And I've been to China.
Wow.
Yeah, that's about it. We want to go to Thailand. And
So have you seen the parade in Hong Kong?
The what?
Demonstration?
No.
No.
We didn't do much in Hong Kong because we didn't have much time. It was a layover flight.
Ah,
And
okay.
so we just stayed in the hotel.
Because now in Hong Kong has a big demonstration.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool. No, I haven't checked that out.
what kind of demonstration?
It's against Chinese government.
Oh yeah. I've seen that. There's like 1 million people on the street.
Wait, what?
They had a demonstration about politics. It was like a
Oh,
march.
about that. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we didn't get caught in that.
Yeah, no.
I forgot about
Oh, I
that.
think I did remember seeing that on Insta.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, good thing we avoided that.
It was something about they want liberation from China more or something.
No, it's like the Chinese government asked the Hong Kong government to set some rules. So like if in Hong Kong you did some crime, yeah, then the Chinese government can take you to China, put you in the prison or something.
Extradition.
Yeah.
Extradition,
Now Hong Kong is like kind of independent in the law system now, but they want to do change like this. So Hong Kong people don't want so to do the demonstration.
Ah,
This
nice.
sushi.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. I know you're better. Arigatou gozaimasu.
That was good.
April?
Oh, yeah.
April.
Okay, good.
famous. Okay. So we should try.
Nice.
Nice. We try that first. Oh, it has wasabi. Nice.
Reto pecan.
Okay. Nice. So which one is the
The good one.
yes? This one. That's the good one. Okay. So it gets better. Okay, it gets better. Okay. So I'll start here. I'll finish there.
It's better and better.
Yeah. There we go. Oh wait. Okay. That's not how you wear that.
You don't know how to put on an apron.
I didn't know how to.
You gonna get kicked out of Japan just like your sister for not knowing how to stop it.
Right. Ugh. Okay. There we go.
Try it together.
Sure. Try this one. I think it has wasabi on it too. So just eat it. Let me show the camera. I like to get the close up. Look at that. Yeah. That's that beautiful Kobe beef, huh?
You can eat one time.
All at once?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, one bite. I want for one bite.
That's good. That's real good. I like that. That's real good.
Not too chewy.
Tastes like butter. It's good. Yeah. In a good way. I'll let you so we get here.
It takes me a little longer.
You like it?
What is this?
Radish?
This also can eat the pickle ginger.
Oh, you put it on?
No.
On the side, yeah. Separate, yeah. Yeah, pickle ginger. This is pretty sweet though. Pickle ginger.
This?
The ginger, yeah. I was eating it after that taste. Like it cleans my mouth. I'm gonna go for the next one. Yeah.
Almost done.
I wonder how you use the sauce.
Dip it?
That's for that, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta show us. Oh.
There it is. Oh yeah, get that. Finished project right there. Okay, so it just gets better and better from here. I love this. I don't believe I ever had like steak sushi. That's good. That's already going. It's good.
That one's more tender than the first one?
Mm-hmm.
All right, my turn.
Yeah, we got it going on here. This is good.
So I would like to try this first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me get the camera. Sorry. There we go. What'd you call this again?
Konjac.
Konjac.
Konjac dipped vinegar.
Dip the vinegar.
Yeah.
So we'll dip the konjac in the vinegar. And this red konjac is only found in Kansai area. Let's mix that. That's good. That's good. Just lightly taste. Yeah. Something smooth to like chew on, you know?
Maybe.
Look at that. That's cool. I wish I could eat this all the time. I swear.
Gotta be a baller.
Yeah, that's all. Gotta increase my bank account, increase my nuts so I can eat this all the time. This will be my Saturday dinner. Rice over there. There we go. Oh, this thing over here. You can rotate it in rectangles. Perfectly sliced. Look at the concentration on this thing.
So first, I would like you to try the medium rare.
Okay.
Medium rare. Thank you.
What should you recommend I dip it in?
Okay. So first one piece, no sauce.
No sauce.
Yeah, just try the original flavor.
Just try meat.
That's hella good. I don't even like beef.
Monique said they gotta be real.
That's good.
Thank you.
Oh wow. Oh wow. That's great.
So second one, put the wasabi on the beef, then put one piece of garlic on the wasabi, then dip the soy sauce.
Okay. So a little wasabi. Just a little so you don't overpower it. On beef. And then put the garlic on there. Mix it up. Okay. And then dip in soy sauce. Okay. Ready? That's good. I like how the roasted garlic and the meat just blend together. Oh, that's good. That's good. You gotta try it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Right? You taste the roasted garlic and everything, huh?
The beef sauce on the beef, then put one piece of garlic
Okay.
on the
So,
beef sauce.
A little bit? Like this much?
the beef
I'll
sauce.
put more.
Put more?
Put
Okay.
more, yeah.
Beef
Beef and garlic.
and garlic.
Yeah.
Okay. And no dip.
Yeah, no dip, yeah.
Ooh, that beef sauce is good. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, that's good. I like that. Yeah. I like that.
So the first one is put the wasabi on the beef, then dip the salt.
Okay.
Yeah,
Wasabi
wasabi
on the
salt.
beef. What you like? Okay. And then dip in salt.
Yeah,
Just a little salt, right?
yeah, there's salt. It's Himalaya salt.
Combined. Oh, Emily, huh? That's good. The wasabi tastes so. I think I live in Miami.
Garlic bread. So fish, only the vinegar.
Only vinegar.
Yeah. Next is as you like.
Okay.
And these vegetables all keep the vinegar or beef sauce.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll put some more beef sauce. I like this. Yeah. Little beef sauce and wasabi together. See what that tastes like. You know, sweet and spicy. Bad idea. That was a great idea. That was good. That was good.
So this garlic rice is breast and egg and garlic and the Kobe beef fat together fried.
Okay, let's try it. I done did the sauce too. Ooh. That's the best one right there. Really? Yeah. Oh man. Not even tell. It's good. Yeah.
That's good. That is going to be everything.
Hot dog. Hot. Good. Thank you.
This is he cooked so very tasty. He said.
Oh yeah? Yeah, that's special. Yeah. Yeah. That was good. So do I do the well done just like that?
Yeah, this is like a medium well.
Medium well.
Medium well. Yeah.
And do it the same.
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay. Thank you.
This cabbage, we can dip the big sauce together, mix to it.
Okay.
But
Baby?
yeah, they're good.
Yeah, yeah. We said we wanted some bread, baby, so.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.